Hello, and welcome everyone. Today we're diving into the world of cinnamon, a spice that's not just for your favorite desserts. While cinnamon is loved for its sweet, warm flavor and inviting aroma, there's a lot more to this spice than meets the eye. It's been around for thousands of years, used in everything from cooking to traditional medicine. This information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. But did you know that sometimes the way we use cinnamon can actually lead to some surprising and not so sweet effects? In this video, we're going to explore some common ways people misuse cinnamon and uncover the surprising effects these misuses can have on our health. From the myths to the facts, we'll take a journey through the do's and don'ts of using cinnamon. Whether you're a cinnamon enthusiast or just curious about this popular spice, you're in for some eye-opening information. So sit back, relax, and let's unravel the mysteries of cinnamon together. What is cinnamon? Now, before we delve into the misuses of cinnamon, let's first understand what cinnamon really is. Cinnamon, my friends, is more than just a spice. It comes from the inner bark of trees scientifically known as cinnamon. There are actually two main types of cinnamon: Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon, and Cassia cinnamon, which is more commonly available and used worldwide. Ceylon cinnamon is lighter in color and has a delicate sweet flavor. It's primarily grown in Sri Lanka and is often preferred for its quality. On the other hand, Cassia cinnamon, which we usually see in our supermarkets, is a bit darker and has a stronger, more pungent flavor. It's mainly produced in China, Indonesia, and Vietnam. What makes cinnamon truly fascinating is its nutritional profile. It's not just a flavor enhancer, it's packed with antioxidants and has been linked to various health benefits. These range from anti-inflammatory properties to its impact on blood sugar levels, making it a popular choice in both culinary and medicinal fields. But as we'll see in this video, even something as beneficial as cinnamon needs to be used correctly. Misusing it, no matter how good it is, can lead to surprising and sometimes unwanted effects. So as we go forward, keep in mind that this humble spice holds more secrets than just its taste. 3. Common misuses of cinnamon. As fascinating as cinnamon is, it's often misused in ways that many of us might not even realize. One of the most talked about misuses is the infamous cinnamon challenge, a dangerous internet trend where people try to swallow a spoonful of dry cinnamon. Spoiler alert, it's not a good idea. Other common misuses include over-relying on cinnamon for weight loss or using it as a cure-all for blood sugar issues. And let's not forget those DIY skincare remedies and home recipes that misuse cinnamon, sometimes leading to skin irritation or allergic reactions. In this section, we're going to explore these misuses and why they're not as harmless as they might seem. 4. Surprising effects of misuse. Overdoing anything isn't good, and cinnamon is no exception. Excessive intake can lead to several health issues. For instance, too much cinnamon, especially the Cassia variety, can cause liver problems due to a compound called coumarin. Misusing cinnamon in diet can also disrupt your body's natural processes, leading to discomfort and health risks. And remember those DIY skincare recipes. Improper use of cinnamon on the skin can cause irritation, burns, or allergic reactions. We'll delve into these effects and how misusing cinnamon can turn this beneficial spice into a health hazard. 5. Expert opinions and studies. To give you a clearer picture, let's turn to the experts. In this section, we'll bring in opinions from nutritionists and healthcare professionals, alongside key studies. These insights will help us understand the scientific perspective on cinnamon misuse. From liver health to skin reactions, the experts will shed light on the real consequences of misusing this spice and debunk some common myths. 6. Correct usage of cinnamon. Knowing the risks, it's crucial to understand how to use cinnamon correctly. This section will guide you on the recommended daily intake of cinnamon and safe ways to incorporate it into your diet. We'll also discuss when it's important to consult a professional about using cinnamon, especially if you're considering it for health reasons. Remember, cinnamon is a powerful spice, and using it responsibly is key to enjoying its benefits without the risks. 7. Conclusion. As we wrap up, let's recap the importance of using cinnamon wisely. It's a wonderful spice with many health benefits, but only when used correctly. Misusing it, as we've seen, can lead to surprising and unwanted effects. So, the next time you reach for that cinnamon, remember the tips and information from this video. Use it responsibly and enjoy the flavor and benefits it brings to your life. Thank you for joining me on this spicy journey into the world of cinnamon. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more content like this. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore another fascinating topic. Until then, keep exploring, stay healthy, and use your spices wisely.